This is a great dessert to serve around Christmas time. To assemble a hot fudge gingerbread blondie, place a small scoop of whipped cream into the center of a large serving bowl, top with the blondie and a scoop of homemade eggnog ice cream or a good quality vanilla. Sprinkle a little cocoa powdered sugar over top if you like, and drizzle generously with hot fudge sauce. Serve the blondie and sauce warm, and this dessert melts flavors and textures together perfectly. To make gingerbread blondies, place a small bowl on a kitchen scale and add 30 grams of melted butter, 50 grams of brown sugar, 10 grams of blackstrap molasses, a whole egg, and 5 milliliters of vanilla extract. In another bowl or in a small jar, scale 60 grams of stone ground whole wheat flour, a little salt, 5 grams of ground ginger, 2 grams of ground cinnamon, and 5 grams of baking powder. Chop up 60 grams of a good quality white chocolate bar into chunks and mix the wet ingredients until well combined. Give the dry ingredients a good mix and stir into the wet ingredients until just combined. Then fold in the white chocolate chunks and transfer to your prepared baking pan. Bake in a preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius oven for 20 minutes. Let cool so you do not burn yourself, but serve warm enough to melt the ice cream. To make hot fudge sauce, melt 50 grams of butter with 50 grams of sugar in a small saucepan and bring to a boil. Whisk in 10 grams of cocoa powder, 50 grams of high-fat cream, and 5 milliliters of vanilla extract. Let boil for about 10 seconds and strain into a jar. If you want the sauce thicker, you can gently reduce it, but the sauce will easily burn to the bottom of the pan if it is not stirred constantly. As the sauce cools, it thickens too, and the sauce turns into a soft fudge when it is poured over ice cream.